Well, the Assassin's Creed Hidden Blade looks pretty cool and I'm planning to have it one. But actually, it's already available on online shop. But I think it's too mainstream if we buy it. So let's make it DIY. Okay, so now I have 5 parts of the blade. So the first part, this is the body of the blade. So it has 3 centimeters wide and 15.5 centimeters long. And then the second part is the second body of the tip. So it has 2 centimeters wide and 15 centimeters long. And the tip is about 1.5 centimeters wide and 17 centimeters long. Okay, let's continue it inside. Okay, let's see how strong this rubber band works. So I will push it in, okay, out, okay, like this, and I will put this bamboo stick on it, and we will see. Well, that looks good. Alright guys, this is it, the Assassin's Creed Hidden Blade. Well, as you can see, this blade is not as cool as the gauntlet that you can buy online. But this is DIY. For me, everything that you can make by yourself is always cool. Let me show you how this blade works. So when you push the tip into the second blade, it will stop by itself. And then, when you push the second blade, this lever will hold up the second blade until you pull the string. This lever connected to the string to your finger. And then when you pull the string, this lever will release the second blade. And then when the second blade hit the edge, it will push the tip. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see how I made this truck, just check the video up here. And if you want to see how I made this spinning curl cover, just check the video down here. If you like this video, please leave a like, share to your friends, and don't be hesitate to subscribe if you like to see my video in the future. As always, stay creative.